Hadian baka kenhon menteri jangka sarkar MUA2 kabla shongjing yalang ka shitarik mentau nailor panyekrana lor katarik man pelong ka election shiteng samai banjit tumaino economy khmat niki MDC Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hakin ritli constituency badway naka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kibla en okam economy khmat kibalong ru ki MLA hadian baka sarkar kala thau ka prevention of disqualification members of Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Amendment Act Arja Khatsan House Nambala kabalong kaan kaban perking economy khmat ban bat arkam sarkar yamenta ka ab yakajing menjor naulat bat kitarik ka bakalabo hakaba khalai tarik nokpra kande ka sngi thebot ba khandri tarik nokpra kande ka sngi nyovon habai de ba jinglot jingsep ka sokra jala kala terwaru ban pelot hadu arklor khatsan lak prop khunda hajar arspa hinyup saw tingka.
Yes, we do have, but now the next official procedure is we have to send to the governor. Okay, once the governor approve it, then it will be accordingly notified. So as of now, I think it is not appropriate for either for Chief Minister or for me to detail you everything till such time when the governor approves it.
Yeah, but can we take that election to the council to this by-election is sure?
Yes, it will be held. It will be.
But recently the KHEDC have sent a letter to the DCA department expressing its inability to hold the by-election due to fund constraint. Do you have to say?
Oh yes, recently I have received letter that they withdrawn that petition.
They have withdrawn?
Just few days back I received that letter.
That means the district council is willing to hold the election now.
Willing to spend also.
Okay.
You know, in our democracy, which I should be proudly claiming that so vibrant, uncomparable to any democracy in the world, individuals have the scope to always seek judicial intervention. That's some inherent strength. I should say it is an inherent strength of our democratic system. Therefore, irrespective of what the government intends, and whatever government intends as per the timing and other things, the individuals, the citizens have the right to always seek a judicial intervention. That's a healthy practice, and that has enabled our democratic system to withstand the test of time. So put it that way, in a much more positive way.
But we, on a number of occasions, we used to hear from the government saying that anything which is, any matter which is in court is considered as sub judice. So will this decision amount to sub judice?
These are constitutional requirements of the state as and when the state government feels the state government should do. Because again, in as far as filling up the vacancies pertaining to the seats of the Autonomous District Council, there is no specific time. No?
Yeah, no specific time. But of course, filling up is required. But there is no specific time which says that within such and such week or month that election has to be held or filling up has to be held.
No specific.
No specific.
What are the main reasons that led to the delay in conducting by-elections in these 7 seats? What are the main reasons?
See, in fact, the reason is what? There is no reason, I should say, because as of now, well, in the course of the election process, one letter we received from KHC who says that, who protested so badly, says that we don't have fund and you cannot even deduct their share for the holding for expenditure of by-election. So see, ultimately we have to also take along everybody, nah? And that's what I'm saying. I'm so happy that this council has already withdrawn that letter and that accommodate. Then ultimately, as CM used to say, we need to carry a boat, everybody. So this is the right timing for us. We already carried